Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we'll be linking our Bobcat miner to the Helium network, and I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how to do it. First off, you want to go ahead and download the Helium app. Once you get this app, you want to go ahead and log into it and create an account. You'll be given a sequence of 12 different words, which you want to keep quite secure. This is basically an access phrase to get into your account, so make sure you keep this secure as anyone who has it can access all your Helium. After you're done with that, you want to go ahead and add a hotspot. Go ahead and click the miner that you're currently trying to set up. This will take you to a screen which tells you to plug in your Helium miner. From there, you can just plug in the miner to the power source, but make sure the antenna is connected first. Then you will be prompted to connect your phone to the miner via Bluetooth. You'll do this with the special pin that is provided inside the box. This pin right here will go into the back of the miner on the Bluetooth port when you are trying to connect it. After that, you want to connect your router to the Wi-Fi which you are setting up, or plug in that Ethernet cable. After that, we're going to set up the hotspot miner location. We're going to do this by enabling location services on your device and placing the little icon where your router is. Note that where the pin is placed on the map doesn't exactly have to be your miner location. Helium has said themselves that it is okay to be up to 100 meters away from its actual location, but I recommend setting your location on the map within 250 feet of its actual location. You will have to wait for your Helium miner to sync to the Helium network, which can take some time. From what I've heard, it can take anywhere from 5 hours to 5 days. So you do have to be patient, but I do know if you want it to go quicker, make sure your router is connected via Ethernet. That'll do it for my video, guys. Here's my really janky setup. I got my antenna on a phone mount right now on the second story in this room right now. I will have a better setup for the miner itself instead of a pile of books. I don't recommend this at all, but considering I needed to get this up on the first day, I'm pretty happy with it and excited to start my Helium journey.